Welcome. In this video, we'll explore a key concept in algebra: undefined rational expressions. We will learn how to find the specific values for a variable that aren't allowed because they would break a fundamental rule of math. In mathematics, there's one rule you must never break: thou shalt not divide by zero. Any time you attempt to divide a number by zero, the result is undefined. It's not infinity, it's not zero, it's simply an impossible operation. A rational expression is essentially a fraction that contains variables. It has a top part, called the numerator, and a bottom part, called the denominator. When we're looking for restricted values, our entire focus is on the denominator. This brings us to the most important rule for rational expressions: the denominator can never, ever be equal to zero. If the denominator becomes zero, the whole expression becomes undefined. This is the one and only thing we need to watch out for. Finding these forbidden or restricted values is a straightforward three-step process. First, you isolate the denominator of the expression. Second, you create an equation by setting that denominator equal to zero. And third, you solve that equation to find the values of the variable that make it true. Let's look at a simple case: the fraction 5 over x. The denominator is just x. If we set x equal to 0, we get division by 0. So, the only restricted value for this expression is that x cannot be 0. Now for a slightly more complex example, the fraction x plus 2 over x minus 3. We take the denominator, x minus 3, and set it equal to 0. To solve for x, we add 3 to both sides of the equation. This tells us that x equals 3. Therefore, the restricted value is 3. What if the denominator is a quadratic, like in x plus 7 over x squared minus 4? We set the denominator, x squared minus 4, equal to 0. This expression is a difference of squares, which factors into x minus 2 times x plus 2. Setting each factor to 0 gives us two equations: x minus 2 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. Solving these gives us two restricted values: x cannot be 2 and x cannot be negative 2. A common question is whether the numerator matters. For finding restrictions, it doesn't. If the numerator is 0, the entire fraction is just 0, which is a perfectly valid number. An expression only becomes undefined when the denominator is 0. Let's quickly recap the process. 1. Look only at the denominator. 2. Set the denominator equal to 0. 3. Solve the resulting equation for the variable. The solutions you find are the restricted values for the rational expression.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.